We find this to be a really good Mac utility product, but without any independent malware tests and with some other important security features missing, we can't recommend this for users who want strong utility/cleaning features. MacKeeper, developed by Cromtech, is a full-featured Mac antivirus and offers quite a few tools not seen in other security software. The antivirus and safe browsing features in MacKeeper provide protection against identity theft, spyware, malware, and other online threats. The safe browsing feature is compatible with Safari, Firefox, and Chrome web browsers. MacKeeper also includes anti-theft technology, which lets you track and lock your missing Mac with a Track My Mac app. Have you accidentally removed files from your Mac? With MacKeeper's files recovery option, you can recover your lost files by scanning your hard drive for files that can still be recovered. Not easily uninstalled from Macs. No firewall to protect your data while connected to Wi-Fi hotspots. MacKeeper does not have any type of parental controls for parents who share devices with their children and want to protect their devices and manage what their children can access or see online. MacKeeper did not participate in malware detection tests performed by avtest.org or avcomparatives.org.